This is Steve. Steve thinks he knows everything about his house, all the way down to where each switch in his breaker box goes to. And how's that working out for you, Steve? But it turns out what Steve doesn't know is where each switch in his breaker box goes to. Steve also didn't know that Steellabels has a brand new line of easy-to-read breaker box labels. Organize each switch by room with over 105 oil and gas-resistant vinyl decals, perfect for power outages and emergencies. Each set comes with 81 pre-printed labels, as well as 24 customizable write-in labels that apply directly to the breaker switch or the side door panel. Thanks to Steellabels, organizing your home, office, or any other building with wires has never been safer or faster. Give it another shot, Steve. Visit us at steellabels.com.